guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Kimberly from SavvyMamaLifestyle.com, and today we're making a rotisserie chicken pasta salad. This is one of my favorite recipes on the blog. I make it on Sundays and eat it for lunches throughout the week. It's not a very heavy pasta salad, but it starts with leftover rotisserie chicken. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna make the dressing. We have 1 1/4 cup chicken broth, 3/4 cup mayonnaise that we added, and some fresh basil. Give it a good whisk. And it's gonna create this nice light dressing, and add your rotisserie chicken. Give it a good stir. So I've added some nice leftover rotisserie chicken. If you don't have rotisserie chicken, you can also use cooked chicken breasts if you wanna bake them in the oven. But the whole premise of the recipe is that you're using your leftover rotisserie chicken. Now, the secret to this recipe is adding hot cooked pasta. So right after your pasta cooks, you're gonna add 1 box of pasta into, oops, I'm getting mine all over. You're gonna add it into the dressing. And that dressing really gets absorbed into the pasta because we're gonna refrigerate it, and that pasta really soaks it up and it thickens. There you go. So that dressing is going to be absorbed into the pasta. We'll also add our peas, 1 cup peas, a box of halved cherry tomatoes, about 8 ounces. We have 1 small red onion, finely chopped. I'm gonna add that in for flavor. So you've got the basil, you've got the red onion, you've got some Parmesan cheese in here, and it's all adding to this wonderful flavor of the pasta salad. Give it a good stir. You see all the beautiful color. You've got the red from the tomatoes, the green from the pasta, the Parmesan and fresh basil is in the dressing. Give it a good stir, and that's all it takes. That's it, guys. And you're gonna put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or if you wanna meal prep it, leave it in the fridge overnight. It's only gonna get better as it sits in the fridge. There you go. So that's it. That is how you make the rotisserie chicken pasta salad. Refrigerate it at least 4 hours before an event, or put it in the fridge overnight. It's got all this beautiful color. I love this recipe for lunches. Check out the finished product, what it looks like. You can see the full recipe blog link below and all the ingredient lists as well. Find more great recipes at SavvyMamaLifestyle.com. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen.